What's happening, travelers? Nitzan Mosery here, the traveling investor, and I am in Miami now. I have a meeting with a broker at 12 o'clock to look at 2 apartment complexes. So I arrived about 25 minutes, 30 minutes early, and what I'm doing right now is I'm driving the neighborhoods. I'm driving around looking to see the demographics. I'm driving around to see, are there any houses that are being renovated? Are there any houses that are being sold that have been renovated? Are there any apartment complexes that look like they've been renovated? What's going on in the neighborhood? Are there nice cars in the parking lot, in the driveways? Are there a lot of beat up old cars that are sitting in the driveways as well? You know, what's going on over here? So I want to let you look out the window and see what I see. So you see, this is a fairly, decent neighborhood. It's got small houses. All the houses you see here have fencing, metal fencing along. This doesn't necessarily mean that the neighborhood is bad. It just means that the people that live here, where they come from, this is their culture. In their culture, in the islands, they have a lot of these gates and whatnot. So that's one thing to look at. But if you see this sign, right, that's coming up here, this sign, that's all broken. The shopping malls are all empty. They're closed. Here comes a store. Look at that. It's closed, right? Why is it closed? It's a Monday morning, 11:30 in the morning. Why is it closed? You've got car shops, mechanic shops. You've got bus parking here. Look at this strip mall. Look at this little strip mall. Does that look enticing to you? Does that look like something is happening here in the market? It is closed. So does that look like a neighborhood that is emerging, a neighborhood that is popping? To me, it looks like this is a neighborhood that has been quiet, that has been forgotten, that has been left to kind of get old and rot and not get picked up. So this is one reason why it's important to come early to a meeting. When you're meeting with brokers, check this house out. It has a tarp on its roof, right? So that tells me that there are people here that are living in houses that really can't afford to fix their homes. So that also gives you a level of the demographics that are living here. So all these things are really important when you're looking at acquiring multifamily, because when we're buying, we're looking for value add. We're looking for value plays. We're looking for things that will that we can go in, throw a little money to, fix it up, raise the rents, change the demographics of the residents in there a little bit. So that's what we're looking for. And we're looking to be in really nice neighborhoods or in up and coming neighborhoods where there's construction going on, where there's things happening. But you see, now the property that I was looking at was on 95th Street. And here we are on 103rd. And if you can see, there's a really nice Popeyes, right? And behind it is a renovated apartment complex, right? And there's another one right there as well that looks like it was painted. The roofs look decent. So we're about 8 blocks away from where the property is. So I got to do more research. I'm going to talk to the broker when I meet him to find out. So stay tuned for more from the Traveling Investor. Yours truly, Nitzan Mosery. Hit me up Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern on W4CY.com, the radio show, The Traveling Investor. And if you can make it to the meetup group Thursday night, hit me up then as well. We're going to be talking about how to raise money for these properties, how to do it the right way, how to raise money so that you can go out and raise millions and millions of dollars. How valuable would that be for your business to learn how to raise capital? Could be a lot. Anyway, this is Nitzan Mosery talking to you soon. Have a great week.